Need help with your social media marketing? Your business website will never be found if you are not positioned on the first or second page of Google, regardless of how exceptional your product or service is. The entire experience can leave you feeling frustrated, anxious and worried. As the weeks become months and you continue to spend money and the results you see are very minimal, which is what happens when you pick the wrong digital advertising agency. The wrong agency will act as a yes man, telling you whatever you want to hear, even if it won't help get your website on the first page of Google. Another ad agency will not give an individual strategy designed to fit your business promotional needs. They will give you a cookie-cutter plan that doesn't work for everyone. And the wrong ad agency will only give you the minimum amount of time and just produced barely enough content to be published. That's why you need us in your corner. We are Raul and Blanca Quiroga, digital marketers in the New Braunfels, Texas area. And unlike other ad agencies, we take pride in our work and it's personal for us. We make ourselves available to answer any questions or address any concerns you might have. To schedule your free consultation, visit digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com now or call us at 512-576-7304.